guys, it's a beautiful day in Wilmington, North Carolina. We are here at Ceviche's. We are about to have some food.
Yum! All right, let's see what we have here. Beautiful outside view, ceviches. So what did you order? What did you get? What are we having?
Of course, we got some ceviche. We got tapas coming, some fried oysters, fried Brussels sprouts.
Lobster rolls as well. So
We cannot wait.
Stay tuned for the eating.
All right, guys, we are hungry. Look at this fantastic food. The tapas have arrived. The fried Brussels sprouts, the yuca, the fried oysters. We are about to dig in. It's a great day at Ceviche's. Cheers.
Cheers. Okay, so now I'm about to take a bite of the ceviche butter roll. Looks absolutely fantastic. You got huge chunks of seafood. You have the wonderful chipotle sauce, and on top of that, you have the jalapenos here. It looks absolutely great. Just really spicy, a little spicy food. And on top of that, it's fresh to make everything back. It's absolutely fantastic. Wow. It's really good. Oh, is this your ceviche?
Yes, this is the misto.
Misto ceviche. How was it? It's really good. It looks like you have lots of flavors in there. I can see the tomato. What type of fish is that?
Scallops.
Scallops. Scallops. Cilantro, the onions.
It's really good.
And I have the Augustine ceviche with the French fries. Aioli fries, actually. These are great. Please, make sure you say Okay. This looks so good. Okay, what are you eating?
Brussels sprouts.
It's really good.
These Brussels sprouts are amazing. Yes.
I'm gonna try one. I'm gonna put a little bit in this mustard sauce, which is absolutely great. And try it.
This is fried perfectly.
So what is it? What's in it exactly?
Fried yuca.
Fried yuca?
Delicious.
Let me try one. It's so good. It's just crispy and perfect.
Yes. The crispiness of this.
It has the texture of a French fry. Yep.
Texture of a French fry, but so much better than a French fry.
Yeah, this is fantastic. Oh, it's great.
Good.
Yeah, I was looking at the sauce here. This is fantastic.